Here's your first warning storm team forecast with meteorologist Dominus Brown.
And we're tracking snowfall across portions of Hampton Roads in northeastern North Carolina right now. We'll see some more snow showers as we go through tomorrow morning. Then that snow will change over to sleet and freezing rain, then all rain tomorrow afternoon and evening. And we'll have the rain sticking around into Tuesday with a few isolated thunderstorms as well. Let's talk about what's happening right now on your first warning radar, where we're tracking some snow flurries, even a few snow showers across portions of the area right now. We've been tracking that with that area of low pressure well off to the west, and this will be our weather maker, but you still see a steady stream of some moisture that will be moving into our viewing area as we go through tomorrow. That means we'll start off with some snow. Eventually, as that warm front lifts by, that means that we'll have a warm up there with sleet, freezing rain in the forecast, and all rain, followed by this cold front that will bring thunderstorms in the forecast going into our Tuesday. Let's track everything on the local level with our forecast model here. Mostly cloudy skies again. There will be some snow showers, some snow flurries over the next couple of hours, and then we'll start seeing some things accumulating with the snowfall, especially on some surfaces there on the ground and likely on the pavement too. So keep that in mind. Temperatures are well below freezing. That's around 2 o'clock in the morning with some snow showers here and there. Then we fast forward to 7 a.m. and most of us covered up with some snowfall stretching from the eastern shore of the peninsulas, Southside Hampton Roads, northeastern North Carolina, even inland Virginia here. But it won't be lasting long. Okay, so as we go through the 9 o'clock hour, still dealing with some snow across portions of Southside, the peninsulas, the eastern shore. But look what happens over Carolina. We start seeing these pink and green colors indicating a change over to sleet and freezing rain as that warmer air starts nudging into the middle levels of the atmosphere. And so that means the warmer air starts moving through and will start eating away at some of the snowfall totals as well, mainly from south to north. Heading towards the 11 o'clock hour, still dealing with that chance of some snowfall for Williamsburg, James City County, Gloucester County, Matthews County, the eastern shore as well, while all of us, at least most of us, I should say, dealing with sleet and freezing rain. That's why we could see some ice accumulations in a few spots. And as we go a bit deeper into the day, around 3 and thereafter, this is rainfall. Temperatures are going up into the middle 40s. Then as we go into our Tuesday, not done with the wet weather yet, we have heavy rain and even some thunderstorms as that cold front moves through. That's 10 a.m. noontime, still dealing with the chance of that activity moving through the area. Let's show you some of the forecast models with the snow. This is the European model, painting more snowfall for our far western areas, northwestern areas as well. Not as much snowfall for Southside Hampton Roads, also for northeastern North Carolina. I want to show you what happens with this model. This is the North American model. It shows a lot more snow for Gloucester, nearly 3 inches, 2.5 inches for Williamsburg. Still, almost 2 in Newport News. Our far northwestern areas and western areas, 1.5 inches for Franklin. More than that for Emporia, up to 1 inch in Norfolk here, and close to 1 inch in Chesapeake, lesser amounts for northeastern North Carolina. Then you look at what's happening here with the GFS. It's kind of similar to the North American model here. More snowfall, 2.5 inches there, possible for portions of Gloucester, a little more than 2 inches for Williamsburg, up to 1 inch possible for portions of Norfolk, not as much for Virginia Beach, and then really not much for the Outer Banks at all. So as we're looking at it, I went ahead and bumped up these numbers from our 6:30 show earlier tonight to dusting to probably 1 inch for most of Southside. Probably going to look at more of like a dusting to 1/2 inch for northeastern North Carolina, except for Northampton County, North Carolina, and Hertford County. How about that 1 to 2 inches there for Franklin, Southampton County? This line here through Newport News and Gloucester, Matthews County towards Williamsburg, James City County, York County's in there too, and Middlesex County. We have to pay attention to those numbers as we go through tomorrow. The forecast here, though, snow showers west to east, then the snow begins lifting to the north. But that sleet and freezing rain starts moving in as well, and then the snow tapers off as we move a bit deeper into the afternoon and evening, and then we're just talking about rainfall. Let's show you the next 7 days on your forecast here. Rain chances as we go into Tuesday around 90%. Again, could see some thunderstorms by then. The high temperatures near 60 degrees. 53 for highs heading into Wednesday, partly sunny skies with some leftover moisture. 45 for Thursday, on Friday around 53. Keep in mind here that we'll see some accumulations, but with the sleet and freezing rain moving in, then the rain, the snow will not stick around very long. So we'll kind of eat away at some of that. So you'll see some accumulations early in the morning, then things start going out of here pretty fast.
All right, so needless to say, you guys have been watching a lot and tracking a lot.
Oh yeah, I've been busy
today.
today.
The next couple days and definitely today.
Got it.
All right, thanks a lot. Well, so to